Court does call the case of the people of the state of Michigan versus Robert Braxton.
Robert Braxton.
Retain.
Yeah, I think
That's yours, Mr. Brown, according to us. He's retained. Is there a
Good morning,
stipulation?
Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Chief Assistant Prosecutor Victoria Burton Harris appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning.
Braxton. Is Braxton here?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the Honorable Court, David Burgess on behalf of Robert Braxton is appearing via Zoom from the Department of Corrections.
Mr. Braxton, can you state your name, please, sir?
Robert Braxton.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, I did speak with the people. We do have a resolution in this case, but we need to finalize it. I told Mr. Braxton the other day that we were going to resolve it today. He's not aware of this, but we do have the same resolution I discussed with him before, but we are going to put this out. I believe that people are asking for 3 weeks so that we can finalize the resolution. Nothing has changed, Mr. Braxton. It's just a logistical thing.
Okay.
Yeah, you can call me later, Robert. I'll explain, okay?
Okay.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned March 27th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Braxton.
All right.
Court does call the case People versus Jermaine Jean Giles.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Rita Young appearing on behalf of Mr. Gene Giles. I did submit a request to go into a breakout room briefly with him, please, Your Honor.
No, I can't do that today. I got 140 cases. I can't have breakout rooms all over the place, and I don't allow it.
Very well, Your Honor.
Need an adjournment so that you can talk with him, then I'll grant the adjournment.
No, that's okay. Mr. Giles, would you place your name on the record, please?
Jermaine Jean Gillis, 975-851.
Your Honor, today is the date and time of an adjourned probable cause conference. We are requesting a preliminary examination hearing date, please.
Okay, and is all discovery complete?
I have everything except for I still need a copy of the lab results for the DNA testing done on a firearm on November 25th of 2024.
Yeah. And where are we with reference to those?
Your Honor, it's been my experience that oftentimes we will not get DNA on firearms unless it's a homicide case, which this is not. So I don't know that we'll have that, and I don't know that if we will have it, I don't know that we'll have it back in time for the exam. I don't know what STF stands for as far as where the defendant is located, but I'm going to ask for at least 4 weeks because we're going to need to do a transportation writ.
Judge, there were DNA swabs done, and so I would ask.
Are you going to need that to proceed to preliminary examination? Because it's not going to be adjourned for that reason.
I would prefer to have those results, Your Honor, before we proceed.
Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjourn this out so we can at least see if those are going to be obtainable. I'll adjourn this to March 27th. Probable cause conference, March 27th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. And Ms. Lundy, if you can check into the status of that so that next time we come here, we can figure out what we're going to do.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll connect with defense counsel offline.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case. People versus Jenny Liu.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Rigiels with and on behalf of Jenny Liu, who appears via Zoom. Ms. Liu, please state your name.
Jenny Liu.
Thank you. You're requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor. We've had a plea discussion. We have a proposed resolution. I was not able to meet with her before today, but we would ask for a short adjournment.
Probable cause conference, March 27th, 2024, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Liu.
Thank you.
Court does call the case of the People versus James Sharp.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sharp, can you state your name?
James Sharp, James Glenn Sharp.
Who's on this? Where is he? Has anybody seen Mr. Fifowski?
Your Honor, I believe he's talking to a client in the detention room. I can go get him if you'd like.
Let me pass the matter, Bridge. We'll get right back to you, Mr. Sharp. Court calls the case People versus Terrell Green.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Laura Yahi, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Mr. Green. Mr. Green, can you state your name for the court?
Yes, Terrell Green.
Thank you, sir.
And unfortunately, Your Honor, I was not able to speak with Mr. Green, who's in Jackson County Jail prior today. So I am going to have to ask for a very brief adjournment to do so.
He's in Jackson. How long is he expected to be there?
Mr. Green, do you know when you're getting out?
Hopefully tomorrow. I'm just here on the probation violation.
Not sure, Your Honor.
You have a hearing date for that yet, sir? Or have you been sentenced on the violation?
No, it's tomorrow. Hearing date is tomorrow.
It's tomorrow? All right.
Yeah.
Then I'll adjourn the probable cause conference to the 20th,
Thank you, Your Honor.
March 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
I'll follow up with you, Mr. Green, okay? Good luck in court tomorrow.
All right, thank you.
Sure. Court calls the case of the People versus Philip Bass.
Morning, Your Honor. Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
Stephanie Can on behalf of Mr. Bass, Your Honor.
We mute Green.
He's in custody.
Where?
Bass.
There. Okay, there he is. State your name, sir.
Philip Lamar Bass.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Your Honor, an offer has been extended in this matter. So my client is going to waive over to circuit court. He's going to waive over to circuit court, Your Honor.
Sir, is that a correct statement?
Yes, sir.
You understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it.
Yes, sir.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and that you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
I understand.
All right. People also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bounced over to circuit court on a single count. Ms. Taylor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
At this time, my client would waive formal reading of the information and stand mute as to the charges.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. The trial in this matter will be set for March 19, 2025, 1:30, Judge Conlon.
Your Honor, could we address bond in this case? Thank you, Your Honor. My client is requesting to be released. He had been homeless up until this point. I did email that information and his current mailing address and where he can stay to the AG's office yesterday. He just was unemployed and homeless, which is how we get to the point where he's owing this money. However, my client got a job 2 weeks before he was picked up. As a matter of fact, he was meeting with his boss when he was picked up. And so my client just wants to get out, start working again, Your Honor. He has no problem once he starts getting
payments.
The
bond is set in accordance with the statute.
I understand it, Your Honor. I'm just asking if he could be released on PR to get out because he has no money. He just started working. He'll never be able to get out at that point because he was unemployed and homeless up until 2 weeks ago.
I don't need a response. The bond is set at 25% in accord with statute. Motion for bond reduction is denied. Bond will continue. In both cases. Can you? Court calls the case People versus Lawrence Savoy.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Ready, Your Honor. Good morning. Dan Garrett on behalf of Lawrence Savoy.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lawrence Savoy.
And Mr. Guerin, as a Spartan, you are welcome.
We appreciate you as always, Your Honor. Thank you. Your Honor, there should be a green sheet in the file. We're asking for an adjournment so we can screen Mr. Savoy for 14B's recovery court.
And that's
Okay,
correct, Your
what's
Honor.
their-
I've agreed.
I'm sorry, Mr. Lundy.
I've agreed, Your Honor. That's correct.
All right. Just so that we make sure we don't have to come back. It's March 27th.
Sure.
2025, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case of the People versus Daniel Greenwood.
And
You guys are going to have to clear that area a bit.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good to see you as always. Robert Ellman with it on behalf of Mr. Greenwood.
All right. Your name, sir?
Daniel Lowell Greenwood.
All right. I have the report dated February 20th.
Thank you.
That's what the people have as well.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Any other additional evidence?
None from the defense.
All right. Do the people have a position as to what they're going to do with this, since he's not likely to obtain competency?
Your Honor, I believe we're going to be filing a Valley Cross and then filing a petition.
A petition. All right. So what I will do is I will make the finding based upon the evidence before me that the defendant is incompetent to stay in trial and not likely to obtain competence within the statutory period if given treatment. I will adjourn this for the people to get everything done. I'll adjourn it out 1 month to April 3rd.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, April 3rd?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
2025 at 9 a.m. Bond will continue at this time. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You do the same. Court does call the case of the People versus Neil Hines.
All right, folks, buckle up. This is the real deal. The judge is opening with the case of the People versus Robert Braxton. Think of this like the opening scene of a legal drama, except it's all unscripted and happening live. Quick legal insight. Here, what they're talking about is essentially a delay to finalize paperwork on a plea deal. Nothing about Braxton's actual charges has changed. It's just legal red tape slowing things down. Classic courtroom logistics.
I didn't hear you, Judge.
No.
The AG's in New
Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Cosimo Bass on behalf of Neil. Have you stated your claim for the record, sir?
Neil Hines.
All right.
What are we doing? Your Honor, previously there was an offer from my client to plead to a disorderly person if he paid up amount in the arrearage. I believe that amount has been paid up. Is that offer still extended by the AG's office?
Yes, it is.
So, Your Honor, my client wants to.
I'm going to do some paperwork because I don't.
Can we briefly pass this matter?
I'll pass the matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court recalls the case of the People versus James Sharp.
Morning again, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Ready, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. James Fifelski appearing on behalf of James Sharp.
Mr. Sharp, can you state your name, please?
James Glenn Sharp.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment for additional discovery. Mr. Cook is working on gathering videos and additional records for us. So I'm hoping the court could set this out just 2 weeks.
Without objection, March 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sharp.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Take care, Mr. Sharp.
Court calls the case of the people versus Dantes Cheney Field.
Morning, Your Honor. Sorry. Good morning,
Go
Your
ahead.
Honor. Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
Right. Assistant Public Defender Asa Bashir here with and on behalf of Dantes Cheney Field. Mr. Cheney Field, say your name.
Dantes Cheneyfield.
Thank you.
How you doing?
What are we doing?
All right, today we are, Mr. Cheney Field would like to waive his preliminary exam and proceed to circuit court.
Is that correct, Mr. Cheneyfield?
Sir.
You understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it.
Yes, sir.
You understand you'll not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, sir.
People also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on a single count. Your turn.
Oh, sorry.
You acknowledge receipt of the information waiver to reading,
Yes.
and how does your client plead?
We- not so-
Standing mute.
Standing mute, yes.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for 17/2025, 1:30 before Judge Hammoud.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. Thank you. Court calls case People versus Cody Lee Jolly.
There's a praying on behalf of people.
Mr. Jolly?
Jolly, you're on in front of the judge.
Mr. Jolly?